Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Policy 707 coming at you with another video. In this episode, guys, we're gonna do GameStop exclusive Black Friday Funko Pop unboxing. That's right, guys. So I know you guys seen this mystery box and other channels. So I was able to pick up a couple on Black Friday. I mean, I actually waited through a long line. It took me about an hour to actually purchase these two boxes. But without further ado, guys, we're gonna go ahead and unbox it for you live right now. So let's get right into it. So now I know that we have a couple chases in this box, in this mystery box. So hopefully we'll get lucky. We'll see what we have though. And I know it has an assortment of Pop Pez, which I think look pretty cool. And let's see, I think the box looks pretty rad, right? It looks pretty retro, like a old school TV or something. So first one up, guys, is Angela Gargoyles. It's actually my first Gargoyles pop. We got Tom plushie. It's pretty cool. We got a nice, beautiful GameStop exclusive pop. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the side. Really nice. Excellent condition too. And I'm pretty excited about this though. I know a lot of people are trying to get this one. It's the Yummy Mummy Pop Pez, which is cool. It also comes with the glow-in-the-dark stars and a cool little Goofy pin with Max. That's pretty cool. So yeah, not bad. Okay, so that's the first one. Put this one to the side. And I recently started collecting Pop Pez. I never thought I mean, I had a couple Pez's in the past, but I never thought I would be actually starting to collect Pez in general. So I'll put this one aside too. Okay, so that's one. Here's the second one. Let's see how we did. Okay, guys. So I know every year that GameStop does these mystery boxes for Black Friday. I missed the boat on the ones last year, but I'm happy to get this one this year. So oh, nice. So second one I have is Monterey Jack. Just pretty cool. I'm glad I also have Jerry. So now I have Tom and Jerry plushies. And this box is in excellent condition, which is always cool. Again with the stars. And ooh, yes, got the Blueberry Pop Pez. So which is cool. Let's go ahead and put it up there. Let's see, bring this down a little bit more. Okay. So no chases, guys, which is fine. You know, that's part of the gamble when you do these mystery boxes. And so pretty excited about the, you know, aside from the GameStop exclusive pops, I'm really excited about to add a couple more Pez's to the collection. So I think they'll make a nice fun addition. I'm just glad that I have different items aside from, of course, aside from the, let's put this right here. Aside from the glow-in-the-dark stars. So, well, there you guys have it. Thanks for tuning in. This is Policy 707 signing off. But before I do, just want to let you guys know I did a recent giveaway. You can catch that in my TargetCon / New York Comic Con Haul and Showcase video. So if you guys haven't entered that, go ahead and do that. We're going to pick winners at the end of the month. So the last day to enter would be the 30th of November. And we're going to pick a winner on December 1st. And I'll go ahead and do a vid for that drawing giveaway. So anyway, this is Policy 707 signing off. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll see you all in the next video. Take care.